Do you know you can actually start a faceless cooking channel without a kitchen? Yes, you heard me right. Everything you just watched in this video was purely AI generated, and it was so easy to do. With just some few clicks, you can be able to create videos like this, upload it on YouTube, and get monetized in no time. So in today's video, I'm going to take you through just 3 steps that you can use to create videos like this and start making money in no time.
In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to make custard ice cream at home. To make this recipe, you will need 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 6 egg yolks. For the step-by-step instructions, please refer to the description below. First, in a large bowl, whisk together the egg yolks and the sugar until the mixture looks like this. Then slowly whisk in the salt and the vanilla extract. In another bowl, heat the milk on the stove on medium heat. Once the milk starts to simmer, slowly pour the hot milk into the egg yolk mixture while whisking constantly. This is called tempering the eggs, and it prevents them from curdling. After all the milk has been added, pour the mixture back into the saucepan and cook the ice cream base on medium heat, stirring constantly. The ice cream base is thickening when it reaches 175 degrees Fahrenheit or 79 degrees Celsius. To check the temperature, use a digital thermometer like this one. If you don't have a thermometer, you can use the ice water test. In a separate bowl, mix together 1 cup of cold water and 1 cup of ice cubes. Add about a tablespoon of the ice cream base to the water and ice mixture and stir to combine. Let the mixture sit for a few seconds. Then if it's thickening, you're ready to move on to the next step. If not, continue to cook the base on medium heat, stirring constantly until it thickens. Once the ice cream base is thickening, transfer it into a container that's been previously chilled in the freezer for 15 minutes. This helps the ice cream to set up faster. Press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the ice cream to prevent a skin from forming. Then freeze the ice cream for at least 4 hours or overnight. To make the ice cream, let it sit at room temperature for about 10 to 15 minutes to soften. Then churn the ice cream in your ice cream maker according to the manufacturer's instructions. Once the ice cream is finished churning, transfer it into an airtight container and freeze it again for 2 to 3 hours to harden. That's how you make custard ice cream, step by step. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. I'll see you next time.
Now, the first step you need to take if you want to start a faceless cooking channel is by getting video ideas for your channel. So the first thing I did was to go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, I want to start a faceless cooking videos with only AI images. Give me videos ideas for the channel. So you can see ChatGPT gave me 20 good ideas that I can start right away. The first one is 10 easy breakfast ideas in 10 minutes. The secret to perfectly fluffy pancakes, healthy meal prep for the week, dessert that look like works of art, and the list continue. So now that we have these 20 videos ideas, we're going to start with one of these ideas. We're going to start with the first idea. That's the 10 easy breakfast ideas in 10 minutes. You're going to use another amazing AI tool. So go to your browser and type CapCut, and we're going to use the CapCut online editor. So just click on the online editor. The CapCut online version has got amazing AI features that you can use to generate images or videos within some few minutes. So what we're going to do is to bring our cursor here, click on create new. Now move your cursor to the right and click on free AI video maker. So click on that like this. Wait for some few seconds to be open for you. So now this is how the interface look like. We have a section where you can write your script. We also have section where you can generate your scenes. We also have captions here and then music here. Now let's go back to ChatGPT and copy one of the video ideas. So we have the 10 easy breakfast ideas in 10 minutes. So you're going to copy this like this. Now let's go back to CapCut, click on the script. Now you're going to paste a topic here like this, then write a key point. So what are the things that you want the AI to focus on? So you can write your key point here. I'm going to repeat the topic again and choose the duration. For what I have observed, you can create a maximum of 10 minutes video. So let's go with just 3 minutes here. Now the next thing you're going to do is to hit on the create button to create your script. Before you click on the use, make sure you go through the script and see whether everything is okay or there's something that you need to correct before you click on the use. But even if you mistakenly click on the use, you can still do your corrections later. So let's click on the use like this. But if you don't want it, then you can click on the regenerate to generate new script for you. Now that we have our script ready, the next thing we're going to do is to generate a voiceover. So bring your cursor to the left and click on the scenes like this. There's a voiceover button here and there's also a media button here. We're going to click on the voiceover button, click on the voice like this and choose one of the voiceover options here. So we're going to go through the voiceover options and choose one. So I prefer to go with the Rebecca. When you tap on it, it's going to be highlighted like this with a blue line around it. Always make sure you click on the auto split script. It should be ticked like this. Now click on apply to all scenes. You're going to apply the effect to all the scenes and also generate the voiceover at the same time. So it has finished splitting the script and at the same time to finish generating the voiceover. The next thing you're going to do is to start generating our AI images for this video. So bring your cursor to the left again. Let's scroll up. So now move your cursor to the media and click on the media button. There are three options here. Either you're going to generate the images with AI or you're going to import images from your drive and use it, or to get images from stock media and use. So what I'm going to do is to click on AI generated images or generate AI media. So we're going to tap on it like this. Then the next thing you're going to do is to choose one of these options. You can either choose realistic anime, retro anime, 3D anime, or any of these options. So what I'm going to do is to click on the realistic film. So I'm going to tap on the realistic film. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to choose the aspect ratio, either 16:9 aspect ratio or 9:16 aspect ratio. So because this video is purposely for YouTube, I'm going to maintain the 16:9 aspect ratio. So I'll click on the apply to all scenes and wait for the images to be generated for you. So this may take about 30 minutes. That's what is written here. So you just have to be patient about this because you will not go through the hassle of creating these images one after the other. Everything is going to be created here for you. So 30 minutes is not bad. So you see there's a notification here. The AI couldn't generate media for some of the scenes. So what we're going to do is to click on the retry again to create the rest of the images for us. Anytime you click on the retry button and you don't get all the images, just wait for the next notification and click on the retry button again. It will definitely generate the rest of the images for you. Before we continue, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, click on the subscription button and subscribe, and also click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any video on this channel. And also let me know what you expect next on this channel. Let's continue. So now that we have all our images ready, what we're going to do is to play the video and evaluate it before we take the next step. So tap on the play button here. Now there's something that I've noticed about this AI script and also the voiceover that you need to take note of. If you're using it to create a video, you need to manually do certain things by yourself. But let me give you a perfect example. So what I noticed was that it's not able to decode this and or the short form of number as number. It mentioned it as no. So instead of you to keep the no, make it number 2. Now whenever you make any changes to your script, you need to update it. So click on this update button here to update that portion of the script. So you see it's updating that portion of the script. So you don't need to recreate everything again. It's just that portion. When you bring your cursor here, there's also another thing that I have realized this AI is not able to decode. So you need to also manually do that. That's the gone and nah. This is one word. So we need to close this gap. So we're going to just bring our cursor here and close the gap. Bring the cursor here and close the gap. Then when you're done, click off from that section and click on the update button to update that portion of the script. And now that we finished going through the entire script and we finished doing the necessary corrections, the next thing we are going to do is to work on the captions to see if there's something that we need to do. So you just tap on the captions beneath the video like this. We can format the text on the screen like this. Just put your cursor by the text like this and increase it. Or you can come to the caption and click on the caption, choose one of the effects. So you can choose any of these effects like this, or choose any of these effects. So just choose anything that you want to go with. So let's go with this effect like this. So now the next thing you're going to do is to add a background music. So you can click on the music option here and choose any of these background music here to use. Now you can use any of this background music, but because of copyright, so I wouldn't advise you to use any of this background music. What you're going to do from here is to click on the edit more button. So that means you're going to edit that in CapCut. So click on the export button like this. Then we have the option to add our own background music. So click on CapCut Online. Now we have our entire video, both the voiceover and everything arranged on the timeline for us. The only thing we are going to do is to add a background music. So what you're going to do is to click on your media and click on the upload button. Choose any background music that you already have on your drive and attach that to the video. So if you do not have any copyright copyright-free music on your drive, then we need to get one. So what we're going to do is to go to our YouTube Studio library to get a copyright-free music to use for our video. So go to your YouTube Studio. Now bring your cursor down and click on the audio library button. Now what we're going to do is to get a music idea for this particular video. So let's go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT about a music idea. Highlight the first text like this and bring your cursor to the top here. Click on the reply button. So ask ChatGPT, give me a background music idea for this video. So click on the send button and wait for ChatGPT to give you the idea to use. So let's go for this one, copy it. Now let's go to the audio library, click on the filter here, click on the search button and paste your topic here and click on the apply button. This is exactly what ChatGPT suggested. You can click on the play first to listen and evaluate if you like it. Then click on the download button and download that to your drive. So now let's go back to CapCut and then click on the upload button and upload the background music you just downloaded from YouTube. Select the music and import it to CapCut. So it has finished downloading. The next thing we're going to do is to add it to our timeline. Just select the music like this and add it to your timeline. So anytime your music is longer than the entire video, you can bring a pointer there and split it. So click on the split button or click on Ctrl B to split and delete. So we're going to click on Ctrl B or click on this button to split. We're going to delete the excess. Just right click on it and click on the delete button to delete it. Now that we finish adding the background music, what we are going to do is to reduce the volume of the background music. Double tap on the background music, bring your cursor to the top and click on the volume button to reduce the volume of the music. So I'm going to maintain it at -35 and click off. Finally, click on the export button and export the video to your drive. So just click on the export button at the top, click on the download button and rename your video if you want. Always go with the highest resolution and also maintain the MP4 format and click on the export button and export the video to your drive. So these are easy to use AI to create a faceless YouTube videos without a kitchen. I hope you're going to give this a try anytime soon. Let me know what you're up to in the comment section. What do you think about this video? Share your thoughts about this video in the comment section. And also like this video if you found value in this video. Share the video with families and friends who need this video. Until then, I'm going to see you in the next video. If you haven't watched the previous video on how to create consistent images and also how to create Bible prayer videos using AI, that video will pop up after watching this video. Click on it and go and watch for better understanding. If you want to learn more from me, a playlist will also pop up after watching this video. Click on it and go and watch all the videos in that playlist to master a lot of AI tools. See you in the next video. Bye.
Hi there! Welcome back to my channel. Today I have 10 easy breakfast ideas for you in 10 minutes or less. So let's get started. Number 1. Yogurt parfait. This is so delicious and so easy. Just layer yogurt, granola and berries in a glass or bowl. You can use any of your favorite yogurts, any of your favorite and I just happen to have these beautiful mixed berries that I got at the store today. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit in the bottom. You could use any of your favorite fruits. Top it off with some whipped cream if you would like, and you're ready to go. Number 2 is cinnamon sugar toast. This is so incredibly delicious. All you do is take your favorite bread, spread some butter on it, sprinkle on some cinnamon and sugar, and then you're gonna roll it up, and you're gonna have to roll it up tightly so that it doesn't fall apart in the cooking process. Once you have even pieces, you're gonna roll them up and then tuck it in so it doesn't fall apart. Then you're going to roll it out and you're going to roll it back up. And when you're done, you're going to have beautiful cinnamon sugar toast. Number 3 is scrambled eggs with cheese. This is so incredibly easy. All you do is scramble up some eggs, add in whatever cheese that you would like. I typically go with cheddar, and then you're going to cook that on low heat so that it doesn't stick to the pan. And then once it's almost fully cooked through, you're going to add in your toppings. I typically do tomatoes, onions, and then you're going to cook that until it's done. Number 4 is avocado toast. This is so incredibly trendy right now. All you do is mash up an avocado with some salt, pepper, and then you're going to spread that on top of your favorite bread. And then you can add on other toppings such as tomatoes, cucumbers, red onion. Number 5 is breakfast burrito. All you going to do is take a tortilla and you going to fill it with scrambled eggs, cheese, beans, salsa, and then you can add on other toppings such as sour cream, tomatoes, lettuce, and then you're going to roll it up and you're ready to go. Number 6 is pancakes. Now you can make your own pancakes if you would like. It's incredibly easy. I have a recipe on my blog, or you can just use a box mix. My kiddos love these blueberry pancakes, so we've been having these quite often in our house. Number 7 is French toast. This is so delicious. All you do is take your favorite bread, dip it in a mixture of eggs, milk, and cinnamon, and then you go in to fry it on a pan with some butter, and then you ready to go. Number 8 is sweet potato toast. This is so incredibly easy and delicious. All you do is take a sweet potato, you're going to slice it up, you're going to toast it in the oven or in a toaster oven, and then once it's nice and toasty, you can add on some cinnamon sugar, or you could add on some savory toppings such as goat cheese and a poached egg. Number 9 is cereal. This is so incredibly easy. Just pour some cereal in a bowl, add in your favorite milk or milk alternative, and then you're ready to go. And number 10 is bagel and cream cheese. This is so easy. Just take a bagel, toast it, and then you're gonna add on some cream cheese and you're ready to go. So, there you have it. 10 easy breakfast ideas in 10 minutes or less. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and then click this video on screen now for some additional fun, clever, and creative family-friendly recipes.